Hi, ako si Justino Paulo F. Caco at ipapaliwanag sa inyo kung ano ang limit of function. Tara! Ito ang limit of function. Ito ang ating given. 3 bracket 2 quantity of x plus 1 squared plus 4. Ngayon, gagawin natin limit over x is to 2 is equal to 3 bracket 2 quantity of x plus 1 squared plus 4. Limit x is equal to 3 bracket 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 4. Kaya naging ganito yung sagot dahil itong x, bali mangyayari dito, x plus x times x is equal to x squared. 2 times x is equal to 2x. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Kaya naging ganon. Limit over x plus 2 is equal to 3 bracket 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 plus 4. Minultiply natin yung nasa loob. Kaya ito yung naging sagot. Limit over x is to 2 is equal to 6x squared plus 12x plus 6 plus 12. Kaya naging ganito yung sagot kasi itong 3, minultiply natin nasa loob. Limit over x squared, limit over x is to 2 is equal to 6 quantity of 2 squared plus 12 quantity of 2 plus 6 plus 12. Limit over x is to 2 is equal to 6 quantity of 4 plus 12 quantity of 2 plus 6 plus 12. Limit over x is to 2 is equal to 24 plus 24 plus 6 plus 12. Multiply na natin yung nasa loob. Ngayon, i-add na natin ngayon lahat. Limit over x is to 2 is equal to 56. Bali, ang ibig sabihin, ang 3 bracket 2 quantity of x plus 1 squared plus 4 ay equal sa 56. Yan ang sagot. Hi, I'm Justino Paulo F. Caco and I'm gonna explain to you the derivative of function. Now, this is our formula. dy over dx is equals to limit over delta x is equals to 0. Function of x plus delta x minus function of x over delta x. This is our given. dy over dx is equals to limit over delta x is equals to 0. X squared plus 4x plus 5. Now, this is our solution. Quantity of x plus delta x squared is the function of x plus delta x. Now, for quantity of x plus delta x is the function of x plus 5 minus, now, copy the given. Quantity of x squared plus 4x plus 5. Now, multiply x plus delta x is equals to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Now, 4 times x is equals to 4x. 4 times delta x is equals to 4 delta x plus 5 negative times x squared is equals to negative x squared. Now, negative times 4x is equals to negative 4x. Now, negative times 5 is equals to negative 5 over delta x. Combine like terms. Cancel the quotients. Cancel x squared, 4x, 5, x squared, and negative 4x. Now, bring down the remaining quotient. dy over dx is equals to limit delta x is equals to 0. Now, 2x delta x plus delta x squared plus 4 delta x over delta x. Now, cancel all delta x. Now, dy over dx is equals to limit over delta x is equals to 0. Quantity of 2x plus delta x plus 4 over delta x. dy, now factor. dy over dx is equals to limit over delta x is equals to 0. Now, 2x plus delta x plus 4. Delta x is equals to 0. Now, dy over dx is equals to limit over delta x is equals to 0. Now, 2x plus 0 plus 4. dy over dx is equals to limit over delta x is equals to 0. Now, is equals to 2x plus 3. Now, this is the answer.
Ako po si Gerald Morelos, papaliwanag ko po ako na po yung derivative of function.
This is the given. dy over dx equals x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. This is the solution. dy over dx equals to 2x plus 1 times the derivative of x plus 1, which is 1, minus quantity x plus 1 times the derivative of 2x plus 1, which is 2, over 2x plus 1 squared. Now, dy over dx is equals to 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 2 over quantity 2x plus 1 squared. Cancel the similar term. 2x cancel. And positive 1 minus 2 is equals to negative 1. And bring down the denominator, quantity 2x plus 1 squared. The final answer is